I guess I need to ask for one now. Let's see. One special dark. He's thinking about it. Oh, yep, that was it. Yep. Making sure. Woohoo! Good job. Yay! He says enjoy the show. Now we'll see if he does his rah-rah. He goes back and he looks at the camera sometimes. Oh. He's so cute. Oh, and now he's going to go back and he's going to look at the camera and he says, oh, I'm on camera. Oh, look at me. I love it.